we go. I'm at wide open throttle. The engine's cutting out, missing, backfiring, popping through the carburetor. The engine light is on the display. Wide open throttle, 2-3 miles an hour, low range. Here's popping, spitting, cutting out. We've been trying to get it to do this at the dealership, and it wouldn't do it. And here we are, Pine Mountain, about an hour into our ride. So now I'm going to pull up and stop, and it should go back to idle and then clear out and be fine, but I'm not sure because I've never kept it doing this long before. So let's see what happens. Okay, I'm pulling up, gonna stop, come to an idle. Alright, I let off the throttle. It's back to an idle. Takes off, runs fine. Alright. I hope this was a good enough video giving you some insight as to the problem. And I'll probably get some more footage while we're up here over the next couple of days. Thank you. Hope we can fix it.